Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to paint a quick, simple watercolor fox using 3 different colors and 3 different size watercolor brushes. First, I'm taking my medium-sized brush and watering down my burnt sienna paint. I'm painting 2 curved lines as if I'm starting to make the shape of a vase. Then from there, near the bottom, I'm adding some upside down cane shapes for the little feet, and then I'm also adding a tail. I'm feathering inward from the outside edges using quick light strokes with the tip of my brush. On top of this bottom shape, I'm adding 2 rounded V's. On top of the top V, I'm finishing a half circle shape and filling that in with a sienna. I'm also adding 2 triangles up top for the ears. Still using the medium-sized brush, now I'm going ahead and using more of the sienna brown, but this time I'm not adding as much water so that it's a little bit darker. I'm outlining the edges of the body and the feet and the tail. And then I'm going ahead and adding some short, jagged strokes using the tip of my brush to give the appearance of fur and add some texture. Going up to the head, with this darker sienna, I'm using my small brush to make 2 curved lines coming up from the center of that V. This is going to indicate where the eyes will go, and it's going to accentuate the nose. I'm adding the same short, jagged streaks up here to again show the appearance of fur. Now I'm going to finish the edges where we have the white areas of the fur. Using my small brush, I'm rinsing it off and adding a good amount of water to my Payne's gray so that it's really light. Then, using the tip of my brush, I'm whipping some short streaks near the edges of the white fur on the face, in between the 2 V's, on the chest, and also on the end of the tail. Now dipping my brush in the gray again, I'm just adding a little bit of water this time so it comes out really dark. And from there, I'm adding a rounded upside down triangle for the nose, 2 arch shapes for the eyes, and a little tiny smile behind the nose. Now our fox is done, but we want to add some detail to the snow behind him that he's sitting in. Using either the medium or large brush, whichever you're more comfortable with, you want to make some circular motions with some really watered down gray. Once you've made your streaks, you can go ahead and dip your brush again and go over those streaks with just plain water to blend them even further. You really want there to be a seamless transition from your shadows to the white of the snow. You can also add some blue over top now, again watering it down a lot so it's very light, and then blending it in with the wet gray that you already have. And that's it! This is a really simple, fun project that's great for all ages and is perfect for people that have never painted before. I hope you try this at home and have fun. I want to do a lot more quick and simple watercolor tutorials like this that you can fit into a break during the day or do really quick in the morning or before you go to bed at night, just to do something creative. So if you enjoyed this, please follow to see more. Thanks for watching!